There are many different things that can make life worth living for different people. Some common themes include meaning and purpose. Many people find that having a sense of purpose and meaning in life is what makes it worth living. This can come from a variety of sources, such as work, relationships, hobbies, and personal values. Happiness and contentment. For some people, feeling happy and content with their lives is what makes life worth living. This can come from experiencing positive emotions, having a sense of accomplishment, and feeling fulfilled in various aspects of life. Love and connection. For many people, having close relationships and connections with others is what makes life worth living. This can include romantic relationships, friendships, and relationships with family members. Personal growth and development. Some people find that the opportunity for personal growth and development is what makes life worth living. This can include learning new things, trying new experiences, and setting and achieving goals. A sense of accomplishment. Accomplishing something that is meaningful to an individual can give them a sense of pride and fulfillment, making life feel worth living. Ultimately, what makes life worth living is a highly personal and subjective matter, and different things will be important to different people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to Sitecourse.